Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel. I am Rhoda Olabisi. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to get Grammarly Premium for free, which means that you would not be paying anything and you would not be putting in your card information, which also means that nobody will be debiting you for anything at all. Grammarly is a writing app that helps you edit your spelling, your grammar, your writing style, and your punctuation, whether you're writing a quick email or you're writing a report for school or you're writing an article, whichever the case may be. Although there is a free version of Grammarly that gives you access to some features, but the premium version gives you access to over 400 types of checks and features. So some of these features includes: number one, it helps to detect plagiarism, it helps you to rewrite your full sentences, it helps with citation suggestions, and it also helps with tone suggestions, among a million other features. I'm going to show you how to get this premium account for free without paying a dime. The next thing to do after you signed up on Grammarly is to go to the affiliate account. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to Grammarly affiliate sign up. So I'm going to Grammarly affiliate sign up, right? And I'm pressing enter here. So you click on this affiliate Grammarly here. So this is the home page for the Grammarly affiliate sign up, and then the next thing you want to do, you can see an option to become an affiliate and an option to sign in as an affiliate. They've put out a form for us to fill, and that's what we're going to do now. So I'm putting in Rhoda Olabisi, which is my full name. Then your website is not really compulsory, but I'm going to put in the link for my YouTube channel here. Address, you can just put your address there, right? I'm just going to put something generic here. So for your city, put any city that you are in here, and your country as well. Just click on the drop down here and then look for your country and select the option that applies to you. Okay, so the region that they're referring to here would be our geopolitical zones, because here in Nigeria we refer to them as zones. So that would be South East, Southwest, North Central, and stuff like that. So because I'm in Southwest, I'm going to put Southwest here, and then your zip code as well. If you don't know zip code for where you stay, you can just go on Google and you can just type zip code for, say, Ikeja, for example. You just click on it and then it brings out a couple of zip codes for you depending on the area. So you just click one of these zip codes, and that's what you're going to use for the form that we are filling, right? So for zip code, let me just put one of those zip codes that I saw there. Then for your phone number, put a number that they can reach you on, right? So 4514. And then after you fill the form, what you want to do is click on next. All right, so the next thing is user details. You are going to fill this information as well. So it's just quite straightforward. Your first name, my first name is Rhoda, last name Olabisi. My title is not compulsory, so I'm not filling that. My email address, I'm going to fill that in. And then password, just create a strong password, right? Okay, so confirm the password as well. Then you click on next. So next thing is additional questions. So they're asking you to put in your website. As I said earlier on, you can put your social media. This is another way for you to generate extra income if that's something you'd be interested in. You can just put in your social media account and you can decide to share your affiliate link on your social media profile. So people can sign up to Grammarly with that link. And once they sign up with that link, you get to earn as much as $20 depending on how often people sign up with your link. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to focus on you getting that free account. That's what we're trying to achieve. So for the website, I'm using my YouTube link as I mentioned earlier on. So I'm putting that in. Alright, so for the next step, they said, I understand non-US payments are available by bank wire only in USD. Please ensure your bank account accepts USD if you're outside the US. Checks only available to US residents. Grammarly does not make payments via PayPal to any affiliate. So what we're going to click is the drop down and click on I understand. The next thing is I understand I cannot place any Grammarly affiliate link or link out on Pico Workers, Micro Workers, or any similar site. So they're telling you that there are a couple of websites that they've banned, that they are not allowed for you to use your affiliate link on those websites. So they've listed those websites and they said any similar websites like that. So what you have to do is click on the drop down and you select I understand, next to the user agreement. So just click on I agree to the terms and conditions in Grammarly, and I agree to the tune partner terms. So decide to click and read on these terms and conditions and the partner terms as well, submit your application. So you can see here they said the application is currently being reviewed and account manager will contact you shortly. You're going to get a feedback from the Grammarly team between 1 or 2 days on whether your application is approved or not. But once your application is approved, you're going to get an email. You're going to have access to all the premium features on Grammarly, not paying anything at all. And if it's also a case whereby you're trying to generate some extra cash, some extra income for yourself, you can decide to share your affiliate link on your social media platforms or within your network, and you can generate some cool cash. And that is how you can get Grammarly Premium for free without paying anything at all. I hope you've been able to get some value from this video. Do not forget to smash that subscribe button. It really helps my channel to grow, and give this video a thumbs up.